supposed to be a pole there. Got some work to do. So I went up and grounded it there. As you can see, 2 cross arms broke there. Cross arms broke down there. We could climb this one though. And we gotta climb up this cliff to get here. Get played out, just climb up the hill. I love how you just deflected off your own plan there. Yeah. Mainly because there's holes already there that are drilled. Here we go. Not even a little bit. I don't know if I want to though. I don't think I want to. Alright, try to explain it to me then. Anyway. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't, it's no good. The only problem is it's kind of like gonna want to go up is the flaw with mine. But in theory it should be a lot less work. Yeah, it's got me yelling at you and stuff, yeah. Want to put a couple grips, just one grip I guess in that bag and send the bag up. What's up? We got a mess up here. A couple broken cross arms. Trying to rig that up. Got her grounded. Let's go. Let's see what we can do. Tree. Take the tie wire off. Alright. Pieces of the puzzle coming together now. Let it go a little bit. Okay. Let her down. Okay, I got it. I got it. Come on again, man. Uh-huh. Are you mocking me?
Yeah.
I was talking about camera.
Oh. Do you have me on the GoPro looking at you after you came up with that idea? What are you doing with the phone? Getting another camera?
Yeah. A lot of that. The trees could be a green screen.
You had like.
Snack time up the pole. Have a little seat.
We can find a 3-bolt.
Apparently. Yeah.
You know where I'm going with that?
Yeah. No, I've never done a down guy before. Snack time.
We even have a guy guard.
I wouldn't worry about that. Apparently the last two ideas I had. John already had them earlier today and I wasn't listening.
No, talking in your.
Oh shit, headache. Piece of 2-aught for a twat. Iron is a metal. What? 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 I don't know what you're saying. The song after what? Twister. Yeah, Twister soundtrack. Or no, it's not Twister, it's like different stuff. Nah, it's like they're playing in their world tour. Yep. You're talking about Van Hagar, right? Right now. It means everything. Right here now. Okay, everything looks good, I think. Yeah. Sweet, we done. Pick grounds up. Yeah. It's probably something like you thought you might have said, but you didn't, or something. I don't know. Like, or it's like, hey, I need to have a good idea today, and I can't think of any, so maybe I'll just pretend like one of his ideas was my idea. I'm not mistaken. Did you look at the strain in it? What? No. Help yourself out.
Grace. Take that cover! Look at this Sheila!
How you going, you bloody beautiful bastards?